Hey, it's Joe again, coming back at you with another video. Today is July 4th. Happy 4th of July if you're celebrating, or hope you had a happy 4th of July since by the time you see this, it'll already be past the 4th of July. I'm gonna be meeting up with the fellas today, Ted, Mark, Alan, you know the guys. And we had a whole day planned. They're gonna have fireworks at the Plaza, I believe. And we're gonna do some other things, like go-kart racing, get some food somewhere. There's the fellas there. So we have to check in here first, register your name, basic information about yourself, and then we have to go over here and pay the cashier before we go in. All right, so after we paid, guys, we are in a waiting area and waiting for our turn to go ahead and start driving. And Ted is right. Everybody seems a little nervous except for Alan. Alan's behind me, getting his game face on. He's got his own helmet and everything. He's ready to go. This guy's an animal. There's Ted there. He's ready to race. Mark's a little nervous. He might need a shoehorn to get him out, he said.
You get a shoehorn to get me in.
And to get in. Alex, cool as a cucumber, ready to go. And there's Alan ready to go there. He's got his own helmet. He's got his little 360 cam. Hopefully I can get some footage with that.
It doesn't really matter who I'm looking at. I can go back and forth. You got 360. Uh-oh, he's backwards. Give me footage! Give me footage! All right. Okay, Mr. One-Handed Driver. Get used to having a beer in that hand. Joe got first.
All right, guys, we just got done racing. And I know it might be hard to believe, but I was the grand champion. I beat all these guys. They were no match for me. Right now, we're meeting the owner of this place. His name is Gene Woods. Gene Woods Indoor Kart Racing over here in Fremont Street, East District. If you're ever in the area, check it out. It's really fun. I'm out of breath, but it's a great time. Check it out. Gene had a really good time, brother. Awesome experience. Thank you. So I don't know if you can see, guys, but these are the end results of the race. As you can see, number one is yours truly, Mr. Tokyo Drift, Mr. Days of Thunder, Mr. Ford versus Ferrari. I can't think of any other race car movies, but yes, I won.
Death Race 2000.
I am the winner. All right, guys, so I'm on my way to the number one podium.
So it's now Ford versus
Ford
versus Fernando.
I am the winner here.
Fiat versus you go up there. And hey, at least the bloodline got second place.
Right.
I'm good with that. Alex takes second.
Yes.
You go for it. I got fifth.
Put some like crowd music and stuff. Put the national anthem.
It was all in good fun. We had a blast.
Mark's paid for dinner.
Right, negative.
So that's the end of our racing festivities, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I did. Like I said, if you're ever out, I did because I won.
You're the winner.
So like I said, if you're ever out here, Fremont Street East, come check it out. Gene Woods Racing Experience, dope time. So what did you guys think of the racing experience?
That was amazing. I had a blast. Totally do it again. I want to go to the one that's over next to the airport because they go 50 miles an hour and they don't drift. So my fat ass won't slide around.
You couldn't even handle 20 miles an hour. What do you want to go 50 miles an hour for?
You know what?
And smack talking
It was
starts.
dope. I had fun.
Yeah, had a good time?
I really fit in there, but
Yo, tell me about it. Tell me about it. Alan brought his own helmet.
I did.
It didn't work. He thought he was going to win because he brought his own helmet. No. So we're gonna try this restaurant called Whiskey Liquor Up. It's right across from the Golden Nugget. And yeah, hopefully they got some dope ass food there. I'll take a water. And then, do you guys have Guinness?
Let me double check all that, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Joe, what are you ordering?
A water.
Uh-huh.
And hopefully a Guinness if they have it.
All right.
So
you
we've
get,
been
man?
seated inside of Whiskey Liquor Up, and we just ordered some drinks. And once again, I'm checking to see if they have a stout beer.
I actually don't have Guinness. Sorry about that.
No, do you have any type of stout beer at all? Do you know?
So it's actually on the back side of that menu.
All right, let me see here. This is some wonderful lighting in here.
Once we get our drinks, can we take these off?
So I believe that you can only take a drink, put it back on until there's food in front of
Nice, I got lights. You know, I want to hold you up. I'll just take the water for now, okay?
you. All right, sounds good.
Thank you. Well, for all those freaking kegs back there, they're pretty limited on beer. They didn't have Guinness or any type of stout beer on draft, so I'll be drinking water. So we just ordered our meals, and everybody pretty much got some kind of barbecue type meal, except for me. I got a salad with some grilled chicken. But poor Alan, who just had some teeth pulled, unfortunately, he was going to try to get some soup, but in this place there is no soup. We tried to get him some mashed potatoes. There is no mashed potatoes either. So luckily, there's a lady right next to us that has a baby. We were able to get him some baby food, pea flavored baby food that he's gonna have to eat. for his meal tonight. So everybody, pray for Alan. So yeah, word on the street is that Mark's paying for everybody's meal.
Oh my God.
So I just called the waitress back, and I'm gonna order some more food if that's the case. So this restaurant is very dimly lit. You really can't see much in here, but it's kind of cool. Like, it's very spacious. I don't know if that has to do anything with the COVID, but it's also on the second floor. So if we were seated at the bar area or by the windows, it'd probably be a pretty dope view out to the Fremont Street. So actually it looks like
Meals for 55 and older.
that baby food was actually a virgin pina colada. Cheers.
Cheers.
Guys, it's so dark here.
Because the news said
I don't know if you can actually see the food,
canceled.
but that's Ted's meal right there.
And sorry for
That's
having
Mark's meal right there.
dress. And unfortunately, I don't think Joe has any dress.
He gave us some light, awesome. And now we got some light.
So that's what I'm eating.
That's what Alan's eating right there. It's a bunch of fries. And we can't forget Alan's meal right there.
Okay, so
So of course Ted
Stick around and
got dessert.
stay and watch fireworks.
He got some kind of chocolate cake
My poor German Shepherd
because Ted
would go nuts.
loves
So
desserts.
I got her some drugs.
Right?
I'm gonna drug her up and just
I won't focus. It's too dark in here. Won't focus. There we go.
stick it in the blood.
Of course, anything else for you guys?
another diet.
I'm good. Thank you. So we just got done with our meal. Everything was fantastic. The fellas here are having an argument about being a
Debate. We're
filmmaker.
not arguing, we're debating.
It's an argument about filmmaking. But I just wanted to say that I enjoyed my salad that I had here at Whiskey Liquor Up. And I think everybody else enjoyed their food here, especially Alan. He really enjoyed that
Smashed peas.
pina colada, or I don't know what it was. But
Strained carrots.
if you're downtown on Fremont Street and you see that Whiskey Liquor Up restaurant, check it out. It's pretty good. So we're done at Whiskey Liquor. Right now it's like almost gonna be 7:30. We still got 3 hours before the fireworks go off tonight here at Fremont Street. Looks like it's getting a little busier. It'll all be a lot busier tonight. And yeah, so we'll see if I can hold out and make it that long and see those fireworks. So guys, it looks like we're losing Alan. Everybody say goodbye to Alan. It's always great hanging out with him. Don't forget to check out his channel, Las Vegas and Beyond. Puts out some dope content.
Thanks,
Brother, you have a good night, man.
All right.
Awesome hanging out. Thank you, brother.
Be safe.
Well, this is going to be a true audio test to see if you guys can actually hear me. It's almost 10 o'clock at night, and we're about waiting for the fireworks to go up here at downtown Las Vegas. I'm still out here with Ted, Mark, and Alex, and hopefully we can give you guys a pretty cool fireworks show to see. right, guys, so that's gonna be the end of the night. I hope you had a happy 4th of July. We did. I know I did. The best part for me was the go-karts. That was the funnest part for me. But we're gonna close this vlog out tonight. Say bye to everybody. Bye, Ted.
I'm Mark.
Mark. Alex back there. Make sure to subscribe to their channels. The Other Me. Also, what is yours again? I forget. I'm just kidding. Sleep is in Las Vegas, and Alex doesn't have anything yet, but soon he'll have one. So this is Joe, and you just watched Straight Out of Vegas. So if you're feeling that vibe, do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Until the next video, guys, I'll see you.